RC 101 Sharpshooter, take one. So Airhogs recently came out with a new RC helicopter that shoots little projectiles from it. It's called the Airhogs Sharpshooter. It's a 2-channel RC helicopter. It comes with 6 little missiles, 3 targets to shoot, and a 2-channel controller that the helicopter charges off of. And we're going to go ahead and give you a nice little demonstration of flight characteristics and missile launching and a little balloon popping. First you turn the helicopter on, then you turn the remote to the on position. Gives the gyro a second to stabilize and center. Once the gyro is centered, the little red light on the bottom will flash to let you know. Go ahead and load your missiles up. Now this is a really slow helicopter for an RC helicopter, mainly because you want to have a chance to position yourself to get a good shot off. And you can really see that the gyro keeps it nice and stable in the air. But it really doesn't fly too terribly fast. But to make it a little bit more fun, I gave it a nice little modification here. And let's go see how our little circus game works. And you will spend a lot of time looking around for your missiles. They do have a good tendency of finding their way back behind TVs and bookcases and bookshelves around. Now when you have the missiles loaded in, it does fly a little bit faster because the center of gravity is a little bit further towards the front. Once you shoot both missiles, it really kind of hovers in place and you're going to want to go grab it. It won't really fly back to you too terribly well. It's more for slow, stable hovering so that you can position yourself, line up your shot. Now when it comes to actual flight characteristics though, if you're just going to get a helicopter to fly, this really isn't going to teach you much about how to actually fly an RC helicopter. It's more of a fun toy just to actually shoot something off your helicopter. But when it comes down to it, I think they did a really good job with it. I think it is pretty stable in the air. It carries the weight really well. Shoots the missiles about a good 10 feet. Oh. Little high. And kids, don't try this at home without parental supervision, please. I want you poking your eyes out. there is a slight delay when it comes to pressing the fire button and when it actually fires. The helicopter does turn itself off whenever the voltage gets low. If the voltage drops below a certain point, the helicopter is just going to drop out of the sky, and it's just not going to run anymore until you recharge it. That's a basic safety feature to keep you from damaging the battery. If you discharge your lithium battery all the way, you're going to damage it, and it's going to have trouble holding a charge. So whenever the helicopter shuts itself off, you let it cool down for about 5-10 minutes. You just plug it back in and switch it to charge. Now the red light comes on, starts blinking, and it's going to blink for about 30 minutes. Whenever the helicopter's charged, both the red light and the green light will blink. So that's the Airhogs Sharpshooter for you. I appreciate you tuning in today. If you got $39, go out, pick one up, have some fun, shoot some balloons. Just don't hurt yourself. Thanks for watching. Tune in for more fun videos.